Electric bikes are expensive targets and thieves know exactly how to spot them. If you're using a cheap cable lock, your bike is basically gone already. I wanted to see which locks could actually survive a real attack, so I bought the top 5 models and tested them for strength, ease of use, and portability. Let's make sure your investment stays where you left it. Product number 1, Kryptonite Keeper 785. Starting with the Kryptonite Keeper 785. When I first picked this up, the weight was reassuring. It feels substantial but not too heavy to throw in a backpack. The 7 manganese steel links are square, which makes them harder for bolt cutters to grip compared to round links. The locking mechanism itself is a disc-style cylinder, which feels smooth when you turn the key. It's about 33 inches long, which I found perfect for locking the frame to a standard bike rack, though it might be tight if you're trying to grab the wheel too. If you need a reliable, moderate security lock for quick stops in lower-risk areas, this is a solid, name-brand choice that won't weigh you down. Product number 2, Wiagen Heavy-Duty Chain Lock. Next, I looked at the Wiagen Heavy-Duty Chain Lock. This one feels a bit lighter in the hand, but the form alloy steel chain is still tougher than your average cable lock. My favorite part during testing was the snap lock feature. You don't need the key to lock it, you just push the ends together and it clicks shut. That saves a lot of fumbling around when you're in a rush. It comes with 3 keys, which is a lifesaver if you're prone to losing things like I am. The cloth cover is decent and does a good job keeping the metal off your paint. However, the chain is a bit thinner than the Kryptonite, so I'd rely on this more for short stops. If you're on a tight budget and just need a visual deterrent for a quick coffee run, this gets the job done. Product number 3, Kryptonite Keeper 712. Then I tested the bigger brother, the Kryptonite Keeper 712. This is essentially the same tough build as the 785 but gives you 4 feet of chain instead of roughly 3. When I used this, that extra length made a massive difference. I could easily wrap it around my e-bike frame, the front wheel, and a thick light pole without stretching it to the limit. It still uses those 7 hardened steel links, so the security level is the same, but the versatility is way higher. The nylon sleeve feels durable and weather-resistant. It's a bit heavier at nearly 4 pounds, but for an e-bike, weight isn't usually a huge issue. If you have a larger fat tire e-bike or often park in awkward spots where you need extra reach, you'll definitely want this longer version. Product number 4, Via Velo Bike U-Lock with Cable. Switching styles, I grabbed the Via Velo U-Lock. This kit feels like a complete security system because it includes both a U-Lock and a 4-foot cable. The U-Lock shackle is 14 thick including casing, which felt solid in my hands. The mounting bracket was surprisingly easy to install, so I didn't have to carry the lock in my bag. The real benefit here is the combo. I used the U-Lock to secure my frame to the rack and loop the cable through my wheels. It stops opportunists from stealing your tires, which is a common problem. The keys are ergonomic and don't feel flimsy. If you prefer the rigid security of a U-Lock but still need flexibility to secure your wheels, this bundle offers great value for total bike protection. Product number 5, Handcuff-Style Electric Scooter Lock. Finally, I tried this unique handcuff-style lock. This thing looks intimidating right out of the box. It's made of alloy steel and has a rubber coating that feels super grippy and protects your bike's finish. The design is clever, it's like a pair of handcuffs connected by a chain. It's incredibly flexible, which allowed me to lock my e-bike to weirdly shaped fences that a U-Lock couldn't fit around. The total length is about 36 inches, giving you plenty of room to work with. The chain part is wrapped in fabric to reduce noise so it doesn't rattle while you ride. It feels heavy-duty and resistant to prying. If you want something that packs down small but offers a unique, versatile locking angle for awkward parking situations, this is a cool alternative to traditional chains. So if you need maximum reach, go with the Kryptonite 712, but if you want a complete system for wheels and frame, the Via Velo is the way to go. I've left links to all of these in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and keep your bike safe out there.